In this video, ipapakita ko sa inyo exactly kung paano gamitin yung Nano Banana, yung bagong Gemini image generator ng Google. Trust me guys, ang galing nito. Yung types of images na kaya niyang i-generate at yung types of edits na pwede mong gawin sa existing images, sobrang incredible talaga. Pwede kang gumawa ng images like this, or this, or this. Kaya kung gusto nyong matutunan kung paano gamitin ng tama yung Nano Banana, itong video na to ang kailangan nyo. I'll also show you how to use Nano Banana with N8N para makagawa kayo ng automated workflows. Maglalagay din ako ng free N8N template, nasa description yung link. And yeah, sit tight kasi magiging fun tong video na to. So first, ano ba ang Nano Banana? In plain English, basically text-based image editing siya. Built-in na siya directly sa Gemini app. Pwede mo rin siyang gamitin via API as Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. So pag pumunta ka sa gemini.google.com, mapupunta ka sa page na to or something similar. If you haven't already, kailangan mo munang gumawa ng account. And kung gusto mo talagang matutunan kung paano gamitin si Gemini, meron akong full tutorial sa channel ko. Pero basically, para makakuha ka ng access sa Nano Banana, i-click mo lang yung button na to. Create image na may little banana emoji. Kung wala siya dyan, pwede ka rin pumunta sa tools tapos i-click mo yung create images. Same lang yan. Pag na-click mo na, lalabas siya dito and ayan, pwede mo nang i-describe kahit anong image na gusto mong i-generate. Kunwari, create an image of a dog sitting on a couch. Click natin yung submit and ayan, nag-generate na siya ng sobrang cool na image. At isa sa pinaka-cool na bagay about Nano Banana is hindi lang siya nag-generate ng images, nag-generate siya ng images really well. Honestly, mas maganda pa kaysa kay ChatGPT in my opinion. Pero ang mas maganda pa, pwede mo ring i-edit yung images super easily gamit lang ang text. So kunwari, gusto kong palitan yung color ng couch to blue. Tatype ko lang dito yon and i-generate niya ulit yung image. Basically, exactly the same. Except sa isang detail na pinalitan natin. Ayan, naging blue na yung couch. Before, hindi talaga possible na ganito kadali. Kaya sobrang cool ng AI tool na si Nano Banana. Kasi para siyang mini Photoshop for a lot of people. Pwede kang magpalit ng colors, palitan yung subject, iba't ibang poses, iba't ibang lighting. Lahat ng yan magagawa mo directly through text lang. Pwede ko rin gawin something like make the dog wear a birthday hat and balloons in the background. And ayan, pinalitan niya agad. May birthday hat na yung dog. Tapos naglagay siya ng balloons na sobrang realistic tignan. If you want to download an image, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is pumunta dito sa top right, i-click yung download full size. At automatic na siyang magda-download sa computer mo. Now, isang interesting quirk ni Nano Banana as of right now is na square images lang yung kaya niyang i-generate. Kahit sabihin mo na wag square, gagawin niya pa rin yung square. Pero depende kung kailan mo pinapanood tong video. Malamang ma-update na nila to. May workaround naman. And ipapakita ko sa inyo yun later gamit yung N8N workflow. If at any point hindi mo magustuhan yung image na na-generate, pwede mong i-click tong redo button dito and for sharing and exporting, sobrang dali lang din. Pwede mong i-click tong button na to, pwede mong i-export diretso to docs or i-draft siya in your email. So, na-cover na natin yung pag-generate ng images from thin air. Pwede rin tayong magbigay ng images kay Nano Banana para may basis siya. Pag pinlik mo yung plus na button dito, makapag-upload ka ng files directly from your computer or mag-add directly from your drive. So, i-click ko to. Pwede mo rin of course i-drag and drop directly dyan. Mag-upload ako ng picture ng headshot ko. Sasabihin ko, create an image of me wearing a gray hoodie standing in front of the New York skyline at sunset. Pwede kang maging sobrang creative sa prompts na binibigay mo. Pero basically, the more specific ka, the more specific din yung scenario or image na kaya niyang i-generate. Okay, so na-generate na niya tong image. Hindi siya perfect representation ko, pero hindi rin naman masama. One thing na sobrang galing gawin ni Nano Banana at mas magaling kaysa sa ibang AIs is kaya niyang mag-generate ng consistent image of people really well. Usually with ChatGPT, pag nag-generate ka ng images of a person gamit yung reference image, nagiging super weird yung itsura. With Nano Banana, mas maganda talaga. Another really cool thing you can do with Nano Banana is actually combine different images. So mag-upload ako ng 2 different files ngayon. One is a picture of me and one is a picture of a blue suit. So, sabi ko, place me in the suit. Make it so it looks like I'm wearing the suit while standing on a sidewalk in downtown Los Angeles at sunrise. So, na-generate niya na tong image. Ang galing kasi kasama pa rin yung watch na suot ko. Yung face ko looks pretty normal. Kamukha ko naman. Naka-glasses din ako dito, which is great. And kitang-kita mo talaga yung sunrise. Super realistic ng shadows. At oo, mukhang downtown LA nga. Now, pwede kang maging basically infinitely creative sa pag-e-edit ng images mo gamit ang Nano Banana. For example, kunwari gusto nating maglagay ng red Ferrari sa background. Place a red Ferrari in the background on the road driving away from the camera. Pwede tayong maging mas specific kung mas gusto natin. Pero, iwan ko muna siyang ganyan. Cool. So, meron na tayong red Ferrari na magandang itsura. It's driving away from us. So, as you can see, pwede ka talagang maging specific as you want. And the more specific in directions na binibigay mo, the more accurate yung magiging result. And the best thing, you guys, is hindi niya na ako binabago at all, right? Na-add niya lang yung mga bagay na sinasabi ko. Gusto ko talagang maintindihan nyo kung gaano ka-cool to kasi dati hindi mo pwedeng basta-basta magpapalit ka lang or magdadagdag ng something sa image na hindi masisira yung ibang part. Lalo na pagdating sa faces. Pero ngayon, kaya na natin. Pwede tayong mag-add ng clouds, pwede nating gawing mukhang umuulan, pwede nating palitan yung time of day. Pwede tayong magdagdag or mag-remove ng trash cans. Pwede pa nating sabihin something like this. Change it so the traffic lights are red. Okay, so nag-add siya ng traffic light. Hindi siya super perfect kasi naiwan yung isa, pero still very, very cool. You can also use Nano Banana to create different logos. Design elements for your website, virtually furnish a room, make yourself look older, basically anything. Whatever you've done with ChatGPT, magagawa mo ngayon mas better with Nano Banana. Now, like I mentioned, Nano Banana is also usable via API. So, pwede tayong mag-create ng custom workflows using platforms like Anytime. And basically, gumawa ng agents and automated workflows na ginagamit yung power ni Nano Banana. Now, kung hindi ka masyadong familiar with Anytime, it's a really cool platform na ginagamit ko to build a lot of automations na tumatakbo sa businesses ko. These automations save us hundreds of hours per week. Lagi silang running and it allows us to create so much more output compared sa kung ano yung possible dati. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng workflow with N8N using Nano Banana. This is a little bit more complicated, pero kung gusto mo talagang mag-build ng workflows, kailangan mong gumawa ng something like this. So, N8N usually costs around $24 per month for the starter plan, up to $60 per month for the pro plan. Pero ang hindi alam ng marami is na ang binabayaran mo lang talaga is yung cloud nila, yung VPS hosting. Kapag nagbabayad ka, it's actually a completely free platform and ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano kayo makakatipid ng up to 70 to 80% of N8N right now. So, kung i-click nyo yung link down below, mapupunta ka sa exact landing page na to. Dito tayo kukuha ng Hostinger VPS para basically ma-self-host natin yung N8N. Ito mismo yung ginagawa ko for my businesses at nakakatipid ako ng sobrang laki by doing it. And yes, medyo secret to. Hindi ganun karaming tao ang nakakaalam. So, gusto ko kayong mauna dito. So, kapag kinlik mo yung choose your plan, mapupunta ka sa page na to. For most of you guys, yung KVM1 or KVM2 is gonna be good enough. Pero kung gusto mo ng mas mabilis ng konti or mas maraming storage, baka mas bagay sa'yo yung isa sa mga higher plans. You'll just click on the plan that you want, piliin mo yung time period, tapos I recommend doing at least 12 months, 24 months kung gusto mo mag-lock in yung lower price for longer. Ilagay mo yung code na CHARLIECHANG sa checkout. Makasave ka pa ng additional 10%. Gusto ko lang talagang makatipid kayo ng sobra. Make sure N is selected right here. Ito yung magiging operating system na may install by default. Click continue, tapos mag-register ka ng account. From there, pumunta ka sa dashboard mo, i-click mo yung manage app, at dito mo na isa-set up yung account mo. Pwede mo nang i-click yung get started, no need nang sagutin yung mga questions, and ang gagawin mo is i-enter mo yung email mo to get your license key. Pag na-enter mo na yung activation key na yun, magkakaroon ka ng lahat ng features. And then, magiging ready ka nang mag-start, mag-build ng workflows mo na self-hosted na ngayon sa bago mong hosting or VPS. I'm not gonna get too in-depth in this video since mas pang beginners talaga to. And meron na akong template down below para ma-download nyo sa sarili nyong account. But essentially, ginagawa ko tong very basic Nano Banana workflow na pwede nyong gamitin right away. We create these different nodes using the editor, which is pretty simple to use. Again, kung gusto nyong matutunan exactly how to do this, panoorin nyo lang yung N8N tutorial ko down below. Super in-depth yun kung paano talaga gawin lahat. Pero for now, i-download nyo lang yung file sa baba and basically pwede nyo na siyang gamitin instantly. All you basically have to do is i-connect yung Gemini API nyo. Sobrang dali lang kunin nun from your Gemini account. And para magamit yung Telegram features, kailangan nyo ilagay yung chat ID nyo. Nasa doc down below lahat ng instructions. So, make sure na sundin nyo yun. So, let's show you guys how this works. Meron tayong two different ways para ma-trigger yung workflow na to. One is the form trigger and one is the Telegram trigger. So, yes, pwede mo talagang gawin tong workflow directly within Telegram, which is pretty cool. But for example, kung i-execute ko tong workflow na to, magpo-pull up siya ng page na meron tayo. Dito mo ilalagay yung prompt no. Create an image of an acai bowl on a picnic table on a beach. Kung gusto mo namang mag-edit ng image, ang gagawin mo is pipili ka ng file dito. Tapos sa prompt mo, sasabihin mo kung ano talaga yung gusto mong i-edit. Very, very similar sa pag-edit within Gemini. And then, i-click mo yung submit dito. So, dadaan siya sa workflow and magsasend siya sa'yo ng Telegram image. Now, just to show you guys this file, ito yung na-generate niya, which actually looks really good. Basically, endless yung possibilities, right? Pwede kayong mag-create ng even more nodes dito. Pwede kayong magdagdag ng further automations. For example, pwede nating isend tong image into VO3. Pwede rin natin gamitin yun para mag-generate ng videos from this one image. Yeah, basically endless yung mga pwede nating gawin na workflows na ganito. This is just a very basic one, pero pwede mo nang gamitin si Nano Banana within Telegram or directly within this form. Meron din akong Nano Banana thumbnail maker. Ilalagay ko na rin yung link nun down below. Papakita nun exactly how to set this thing up with your credentials. Yeah, super cool na use case siya for harnessing the power of Nano Banana. Basically, when you combine Nano Banana with N10, kaya mong gumawa ng really complex workflows na kayang mag-handle at gumawa ng sobrang daming task para sa business mo. Of course, pwede mo namang gamitin si Nano Banana directly within Gemini, pero dapat talaga matutunan mo rin gamitin yung API within other platforms para makagawa ng ganitong klaseng workflows. Now, one really cool use case for Nano Banana is for UGC, right? Since sobrang galing niya with people and faces and creating consistent characters, pwede tayo mag-create ng images gamit si Nano Banana tapos i-input natin directly into the V3 video model para makagawa ng UGC ads, videos, or whatever we want with it. So for example, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo really quickly right now. Pag kinlik natin yung create videos with video, mag-i-start tayo ng new chat. I-add ko yung photo na na-generate ko with Nano Banana. Okay, so yun yung image ko sa downtown LA with a red Ferrari. And ito yung sasabihin ko. Turn this image into a video. I'm walking towards the camera and talking about how clean downtown Los Angeles is. Let's go ahead and submit this. Now, medyo mas matagal to. It takes a lot of processing power para gumawa ng ganitong klaseng high quality videos. Alright, so meron na tayong video. Tignan natin.
It's quite remarkable how clean downtown Los Angeles has become. The streets are pristine and the air feels fresh.
Alright, so not bad. Kapag pinapost mo sa wrong spots, medyo mukhang funny siya. Pero overall, sobrang cool na way yun to utilize Nano Banana. Yung gumawa ka muna ng mga images na mukhang pretty realistic, tapos gagawin mo silang actual videos with sound. As of right now, pwede kang mag-generate ng 3 videos per day. Pero syempre, pwede kang mag-upgrade to a more expensive plan para makakuha ng more video generations per day. So yeah, that's basically how you use Nano Banana. Tandaan nyo, the technology is always changing. So some things might be a little bit different. Depende kung kailan nyo pinapanood tong video na to. But now you know some of the most important features of Nano Banana and paano mo siya actually may integrate directly with N10 to create these automated workflows. I'll link all the resources na binanggit ko down below in the description. And please you guys, kung gusto nyong makatipid with N10, definitely self-host on your own VPS. Makatipid talaga kayo in the long run. And ito mismo yung ginagawa ko. Hope you guys got some value from the video. Kung meron, make sure na i-hit nyo yung like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.